In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Jira dashboard with real-time reporting gadgets. If you've been jumping between different boards, manually piecing together sprint data, or struggling to build a clean executive view for multiple teams, this process will make things much easier. Jira already includes the tools you need to create a centralized reporting space, and you can do it right from the dashboard area without needing anything overly technical. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site. If needed, sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on the main Jira home screen, look at the top navigation bar and click on Dashboards. This is where your existing dashboards, starred dashboards, and recent reporting spaces are organized. After that, open the dashboard menu and select Create Dashboard. As soon as you click it, Jira opens the dashboard creation window, which is where you'll define the foundation for this new reporting space. In the name field, enter a clear and professional dashboard title. It's a good idea to keep the name unique, descriptive, and fairly concise so it's easy for other team members to recognize later. A title like Q Re-engineering Execution and Velocity Board works well because it clearly signals the purpose of the dashboard. Under that, choose your sharing settings in the Viewers or Editors area. This is where you control who can see the dashboard and who can make changes, whether that's a project, a group, or a broader organization level audience. Once those settings look right, click Save. Now you'll be taken to a blank dashboard canvas. To start adding reporting components, go to the upper right area of the page and click Add Gadget. This opens Jira's gadget panel where you can browse or search through available reporting widgets. In the gadget search field, type something like Sprint Burndown or Created versus Resolved. When you find the one you want, click Add Gadget next to it, and Jira will place it onto your dashboard. From there, configure the gadget by selecting the correct project, choosing the active sprint or relevant tracking source, enabling auto refresh if available, and then clicking Save inside the gadget itself. This is what turns the widget from a placeholder into a live reporting element. Once your gadgets are added, close the gadget panel and review the layout. You can drag and reposition each widget to create a cleaner visual flow across the dashboard. Try to arrange the most important metrics where they'll be easiest to scan. When everything looks right, click Done in the top right corner. At that point, your dashboard is live and saved, and Jira will continue updating the data automatically in the background. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.